Here at Dirt Tracks, we're truck people, and we've always been proponents of utilizing everything your truck has to offer. And for the off-road world, that means not only your trailer hitch, but all that room in your box. And more importantly, the space that above your box can offer. Now, we've been working with Marlon for quite a few years, and one of the cool things that I find about this innovative deck company is the fact that they don't just make products for one season. And by that I mean that most deck companies you'll find out there only make products either for full summer or full winter. And with winter just around the corner in our parts, we have our sled deck already in the box of our truck, but as you can see, we have a little something extra added on. And that little something extra is the Explore 2 side-by-side riser kit, an easy bolt-on adapter that allows you to haul any side-by-side you want, from a 50-inch wide 2-seater all the way up to a turbo 4-seater. While there are 2 length options that tailor to your needs, today I have the 120-inch version installed. It allows for a max length side-by-side of 120 inches. This will work for many of today's popular 2- and 4-seat utility and sport utility side-by-sides. Now, if you're looking to go even bigger, Marlon does offer the 165-inch version that tackles the biggest and baddest turbo 4-seat rigs out there. No matter your choice, they both fit from 50 to 76-inch wide rigs. One of the coolest parts about the Explore 2 riser kit is the fact that you still get all of the usable space underneath your sled deck. You get all of this while you're hauling a side-by-side up on top of your rig without a trailer. I mean, this is really cool. Now, if your side-by-side is 50 inches wide, you can always use the stock telescopic ramp that came with your Marlon Explore 2 deck. And it works great. However, for anything above 50 inches, you're going to need to use a set of Marlon's side-by-side specific ramps. Now, loading up is something that I always get asked a lot about, and that's because it looks pretty aggressive when you're loading one of these things, but don't worry. After you do it once, you're going to feel completely confident, and there's a lot of built-in safety features with the Marlon decks. From the side-loading safety bars to the ramp traction to the ramp sidewall lips, you'll be a pro at loading your side-by-side in no time. And if you don't like the thought of using the throttle to load up on top of the riser, it features a built-in winch mount and winch hook location, so you can permanently mount a winch on the deck or just use your side-by-side's winch to pull yourself up. Now, when you're ready to put sleds back on the deck, you simply remove 4 large bolts and you're back in business for the winter months. Now, if you don't have sleds or the need for a sled deck, there are options for all of you out there who are just looking to haul side-by-sides specifically. And that option is the Explore 2 side-by-side deck. Utilizing many of the same smartly designed features as the Explore 2 riser, this is a fully integrated system that loads into your truck box and allows the transport 2- and 4-seat side-by-sides in a truck box from 6.2 to 8 foot in length. Now, along the same lines as the stock riser kit, the Explore 2 deck will take up to a 120-inch long 2- or 4-seat side-by-side. If you want to go up to that 165-inch max length, you're going to need to add the optional extension kit. On this system, the ramps are stored internally between the wheels of the side-by-side, allowing for the main portion of your truck box to still be used. While it doesn't offer the same level of security for gear in your truck's box, it also comes in a very reasonable price, significantly less than the sled deck and riser kit, and still allows you to haul any side-by-side you want with nothing but your truck. And let me tell you, the looks you'll get, yeah, people come a-running to check out this setup every time we roll down the road. Marlon's a company that gives you a whole lot of options. Whether you want to take a side-by-side, ATVs, or sleds along with you, you don't have to have a trailer, but it gives you the option to take a trailer with you should you want to. Their products are smartly designed, well-engineered, and they get the Dirt Tracks stamp of approval. Thanks for watching Dirt Tracks TV. If you liked the video that you just saw, please click the like button as well as comment below. You can subscribe to our page and also ring the bell if you want to be notified of future videos on Dirt Tracks TV.